Hello everyone, I'm Ramon and this is Ramon at Home. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to Walmart to look for supplies for projects that we're doing for Christmas. There's so many things that I need that I'm looking for and I cannot find, like rose gold glitter. Hopefully they'll have it at Walmart, but I also need some wooden letters. I need some ornaments for a project. I need some ribbon and I need some little sequins. I think they're like sequins, but they're like little diamonds. So let's go into Walmart and see if we can find all of the things that we're looking for. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing, and if you already subscribed, don't forget to hit the notification bell on so you're notified every time there's a new upload or one of the watch parties. Let's get started. We also need some jewels and some rose gold glitter, but I cannot seem to find rose gold glitter anywhere I go. So I'm gonna have to keep looking for that because it's very crucial for a project we're doing for this holiday season. I need some black and white spray paint, and they're the only ones they have under key. I don't know why they're under key, they're only 97 cents. I need some jewels, but these are too many of them. I think I can find some at the dollar store. This little packet has some, but I need more than that. Okay, we have some of this jute twine that I think I'm gonna take for a project. It's only $1.97, so not a bad deal. This section right here reminds me that I need to find a Christmas tree, so leave me a comment on the comment section below if you guys want me to do a video on how to find the right tree for the right price. Ornaments everywhere. I mean everywhere. Alright you guys, so I just left the Walmart and I got some ornaments and some supplies that we're going to need for our crafting. So I'm gonna go to Dollar Tree now because I cannot find this rose gold glitter that I really want for this project, to show you guys how to incorporate rose gold into a glam wreath. So stay tuned and let's go to Dollar Tree. As you guys can see, I am at the Dollar Tree and I'm gonna go inside and look for some crafting items that I need for all of our projects. Some glue, some brushes, some other things like glitter, rose gold glitter. Can find it anywhere. And so let's just see what we can find. God, my eyebrows look pretty good. The closer it gets to Christmas, the more stuff they're putting out. So don't forget to check out your local Dollar Tree for great bargains. Look and you shall receive exactly what I was looking for. Alright you guys, I just left Dollar Tree and no rose gold glitter, so I'm gonna have to go to Hobby Lobby on a future trip. But right now I want to go home and I want to show you everything that I bought at Walmart and Dollar Tree. These are the supplies that you will need for all of the DIY projects that we're doing for your Christmas decorating. So let's go home and let's go do the haul. Alright you guys, we're back at the studio and I cannot wait to show you everything that I got at Walmart and Dollar Tree for this holiday season. A lot of them are supplies that we will need for future DIY projects, and I really recommend you get them now because if you don't, they might be gone in a few weeks when we get to them. So let me get started. Alright, let's do Walmart first, and I want to show you the ornaments that I got. They are so cute at Walmart this year. We have this drummer right here, and he's made out of sequins with this really pretty gold ribbon going down it. They are $1.97, you guys. The ornaments at Walmart are so inexpensive this year, and they're just absolutely affordable, and they're so detailed. I really recommend you go to Walmart and grab yourself a few of these really cute ornaments. So this was number one that I got. Then I also could not live without this little sleigh. He has some packages wrapped in twine, and then it has this little tree right here. It's only $1.97 and they're absolutely adorable. The sleigh is made out of wood and it's just so cute, so I had to leave Walmart with a few of those. Then I got this really cute metal bucket that is also $1.97 and it has a big pine cone and some berries and some sprigs of greenery and some ornaments. They are absolutely adorable with this really pretty ribbon on it. $1.97 once again. I cannot believe the quality of the ornaments this year. They're super affordable and super cute, so go get yourself some at Walmart. Then this is probably one of my favorite ones this year. It's this really cute Santa bag on a tartan plaid with a little pretty snowflake. Look at this, you guys. These twine jingle bells, a little tree, a sprig of greenery. Look at all the detail for $1.97. I could not believe my eyes, so I had to leave with a few of these as well. Then this is probably my favorite that I have. I know I said that about the previous one, but this glove with all of those twigs and pine cones. I wonder how to put those pine cones in there. They probably squished them, but it has all these frosted berries and all the twigs, and this also was only $1.97. And guess what? I got all of the ones they had. I cannot believe they're only $1.97. They're made out of plastic. They look like glass, but they're so cute. Then also I got this pack of 3 bulbs. These were $3.48 for 3, you guys. These are so inexpensive, so cute and affordable, and they will look really cute on a wreath or swag or even your Christmas tree. But then also I bought these really cute twine balls that are glitter. They come in red, green and gold, and this also, if you buy a few sets of them, you can separate them and use them on a wreath. You can use them on a swag, you can use them on your mantle, or you can just use them on your tree as well. So I got a few of this. I've seen this at Pure One before, and they're like $5 a ball. So the fact that there's 3 and they're only $3.48 is super affordable. So I recommend you get yourself a few of these. And then for my supplies, I got this twine, and this was only $1.97. It's a lot of twine, and we're gonna need this for a garland we're making. I cannot tell you much about it, but we're making a garland. And then also I got some Elmer's glue with extra strength, strong formula, because we're going to decoupage certain things for a project coming up, and I hope you stay tuned for that. And then I got some of these letters right here. They are $1.97, I believe, or $1.47. Does it say right here? No, it doesn't say, but they're under $2, and we're gonna use them to make a garland, so you guys will have to stay tuned for that. I know you will want to come back and check that project out. It's going to involve glitter, and it's just gonna be absolutely fabulous. Alright, so that was Walmart. Let me get ready for Dollar Tree and I'll show you what I got. Okay, so as you guys saw, then I went to Dollar Tree, and I cannot stay away from that place. But every time I go, I find new products to make even more DIY projects for you guys for the holiday season. So the very first thing I got was some tubes of these green ornaments. They're medium size, and then I got 1 tube of the minis in red because we're gonna need this to make a garland, you guys. So go ahead and get yourself some of the smaller size, because everybody has larger size, but I rarely see the smaller size in all one color. So go ahead and get yourself some of these ornaments. Then the second thing that I got is this really pretty ribbon that is made out of like velvet material with a gold wired on it, and I got 3 of these because we're gonna need it for another project that I cannot tell you about yet. But you want to get yourself, if you see it at your local DT, some of this felt or velvet material ribbon, because I think once you see the project we're gonna do with it, you're gonna want to do one for yourself, and you don't want to be looking for it. Then, as you guys saw, I got some of these red diamonds, I don't know what to call them, jewels, that we're gonna need for the same project with the ribbon. Then I got some brushes. These are really heavy duty brushes and they're only $1, and I got this to decoupage some of the things that we're gonna be doing. So get yourself some heavy duty brushes so you can decoupage. And then to decoupage, I got this, I think there's 6 little plates where you can put the glue and then you can dip your little brush to decoupage, and that way you don't make a mess. So go ahead and get yourselves, there's 6 of these trays for $1. So that's all I got at Dollar Tree. Alright you guys, that's all I have for today. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and share with a friend. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please consider subscribing. And if you already did, don't forget to turn the notification bell on, because we're doing our live premiere parties. And guess what? We're having one this Sunday where I will reveal what's behind this curtain right here. The transformation for the studio will be revealed this Sunday, and we're doing it live at 5 o'clock Pacific Standard Time. So I hope you can tune in. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, bye. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle all the... Hey you, yeah, you. Have you subscribed to this channel? I think you should. And hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Also, you can just watch more videos right here. Subscribe.